we go guys, our crispy fried okra ready to enjoy. Now let's taste it. So crispy and delicious. You have to try this crispy fried okra guys. You will love it. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today I'm going to show you how to fry crispy fried okra. Here are the ingredients of my crispy fried okra bhindi: okra, water, tempura mix, flour, and cooking oil. Now let's prepare the okra. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Let's prepare the okra by cutting the stalk. Now it's ready. Now we can cut it into half. Okay. Now it's ready. Now let's prepare the tempura batter. In a mixing bowl, pour the water. Then add half of the tempura mix. Give it a stir. Mix thoroughly. Now we can add the remaining of our tempura mix flour. Mix thoroughly until well combined. Now our tempura batter is ready. Dip the okra in your tempura batter mix and then put it in a plate and repeat the process. Okay guys? Okay guys, that's the first batch done. Now ready to be fried. Now let's get the oil hot in the pan. In a cold pan, pour the cooking oil. And turn the heat on high. Before start cooking, drop butter on your cooking oil. If it's floating, that means it's ready. Now let's start frying our crispy okra. Do it individually guys, just like that. Make sure you got enough room to each other. Okay guys, this will only take 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Be careful because the oil is so hot. And turn the heat to medium now. Turn the okra to cook the other side. Okay guys? Might use a stick guys, okay? Easy to use, like tiny stick like this guys, okay? Wow, look at that! I've been cooking this okra now guys for a minute and look at the color of that. It turns to golden brown. Just keep stirring to fry evenly. Okay guys. Beautiful crispy fried okra. After 3 minutes, just remove and place it on a rack to drain excess oil. Okay guys, just like that. Now for second batch guys. This is going to be a very delicious crispy fried okra bhindi. The tempura mixed flour makes your okra very crispy. Now our second batch of crispy okra is ready. Just remove and place again on a rack to drain excess oil. Okay guys, like that. Let's taste my crispy fried bhindi okra. So crispy and delicious. You have to try this crispy fried okra guys. You will love it. Cheers! I hope you enjoy my crispy fried bhindi okra today. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. More recipe to follow. See you soon.